I would like to welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 30 for grade 2 mathematics. Guys, we were learning about subtraction without regrouping, and we're doing the practice sheet in the last class. So a quick revision from the last class, what we were doing, okay? And I will revise some of the questions, what we did yesterday, and then today we are going to start the topic subtraction with regrouping, inshallah. Okay, so you can see, guys, on your screen there is a practice sheet. The question was to subtract 200 from 500, and as you know, we had to subtract the ones first. 0 out of 0 is 0, 0 out of 0 is 0, and 2 out of 5 is 3. These are the 5 hundreds. When you cut 2, 1 and 2, so 1, 2 and 3 hundreds will be left. That's why you write 300. Again here 0 out of 0, 0, 0 out of 0, 0, and 3 out of 6 is 3. So this is 1, 2, 3. You need to cut 3 out of 6, then check how many are left. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 are left. And see, guys, you have to take out 0 from 2. You know it, whenever you take out 0 from any number, so you will get the same number in the result. Okay, so 0 out of 2 is 2. Okay, now 0 out of 2 is 2. 6 minus 0 is also 6. 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. Okay, 3 minus 0. Now for the D, guys, 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. How for 5 minus 4 equals to 1? These are 500s. Cut 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is only 1 left. Here, for D question, 3 minus 0, 3. 7 minus 0, 7, and 9 minus 5. Out of 9, if you cut 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you will have only 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 left. So this is 472. Same we did the practice sheet 2. Okay. Now, the last question I will complete for you. This is 757 minus 533. Subtract the ones first. 7 minus 3. So draw 7 lines. You know, the first number you have to draw the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then you need to cut 3 lines. Check how many lines are left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. Now you have to subtract the tens. 5 minus 3. For that you will draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you have to cut 3 lines. Cut 3 lines and check how many lines are left. 1 and 2. So 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. Then you have to subtract 5 from 7. Draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And cut 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Check how many lines are left. 1 and 2. So the answer is 224. So guys, up to here, subtraction without regrouping, everything is clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. That's very good, guys. And just wait for a while. There is one of the students who is having problem in joining the class. I'm looking what is his problem. Check it. I hope he will join now. Okay. Can you see the screen, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So guys, I was telling you, you should have a good command on subtraction without regrouping before going to the topic subtraction with regrouping. Okay. So everything is clear to you in this topic, subtraction without regrouping?
Yes, sir.
That's right, good.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now we will come to the page number 38 of the book, 39, sorry. Come to the page number 39 of the book, guys. The topic we are going to start, that is subtraction with regrouping. So please open your book, page number 39. Topic which we are going to start, that is subtraction with regrouping. Please open your book.
Page number what?
Page number what?
Page number what?
39, page number 39.
49.
39.
That is 39. Okay. 39.
39. That's
Okay,
right.
sir.
All right, guys. So subtraction with regrouping, guys. Look at the example here. I'm going to read the example. Twinkle has 33 cubes. Twinkle has 33 cubes. And Chuckle takes away 16 cubes. How many cubes does Twinkle have now? So Twinkle was having 33 cubes, but Chuckle take out 16 cubes and he take away. Now, how many cubes does Twinkle have left? This is what you have to find out. For that, what you will do, guys, you will have to subtract 16 from 33. Because total cubes that Twinkle was having, that was 33, and the Chuckle took 16 cubes. How many are left? For that, you need to subtract 16 from 30. So the method is same, guys. You will write tens, ones. In 33, there are 3 tens, 3 ones. In 16, there is 1 10 and 6 1. Now you need to subtract. So, you have to start subtracting by ones. So 3 ones minus 6 1. What you have to do, you have to minus 6 ones from 3 ones. So this is 3. I will draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Now I have to cut 6 lines. So 1, 2, 3. No, I cannot cut 6 lines. I can only cut up to 3 lines. 6 is a bigger number. I cannot cut 6 lines. Because 6 is a bigger number. I have drawn only 3 lines. So either I can cut 1 line, 2 line or 3 line. I cannot cut 6 line. So because 6 is a bigger number. So that's mean, guys, we cannot take out 6 from 3. We cannot take out 6 from 3. This is, I give you a practical example. If you have 3 chocolates, and your mother asks you to give 6 chocolates to your friend. So you cannot give 6 chocolates. You will say, mother, I have only 3 chocolates. How can I give 6 chocolates? Okay. So that's mean you cannot take out a bigger number from a smaller number. From here, what you learn, that you cannot take out a bigger number from a smaller number. You cannot take out 6 from 3 because 3 is smaller and 6 is bigger. Am I clear, guys? 3 is smaller and 6 is bigger. That's why you cannot take out 6 from 3. Am I clear?
23.
So guys, what you have to do, because you cannot take out 6 from 3, now you will go to the tens and you will ask for 1. Look, in 33, there are 3 tens. This is 1, 2, and 3 tens and 3 ones. So because from 3 ones, you cannot minus 6 ones. And you also know that 1 tens is equals to 10 ones. You know it. That 1 tens mean 10 ones. So what you will do, guys, you will break this 10 into the ones. You will send this 1 of the 10 to the ones. So this 10 plus 3 will make 13. Because you cannot minus from 3. You cannot minus 6 from 3. So what you will do, you will go to the tens and you will ask for 1. When you will take 1 10 to the ones, so 1 tens mean 10 ones. So 10 ones and 3 will make 13. So this is 3. When you take 1 10 from here, so it will become 13 ones. It will become 13 ones. Now you can do subtraction. Out of 13, you can minus 6. Draw 13 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Out of 13, you have to take out what? 6. So cut 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 13 minus 6 is 7. 13 minus 6 is 7. Okay. Now, the second important thing. Because you have given 110 to this ones. So there are not 310 now. Because you have given this 10 to here. So only this 10 and this 10 is left. That means only 2 tens are left. So it was 3 tens and 3 ones before. But you change it to 110 to the ones. So it is now 2 tens and 13 ones. It is now 2 tens and 13 ones. So this 3 is not 3 now because you have it has given 1 to this 3. So it is 2 now. Now 2 minus 1 is 17. That means Twinkle has 17 cubes now. Twinkle has 17 cubes now. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good. I repeat this question for you guys. What you have to do, you have to minus 16 from 33. You went for subtracting 6 from 3, but you realize that you cannot subtract 6 from 3 as 3 is smaller and 6 is bigger. If you draw 3 lines, you cannot cut 6 lines because 3 is smaller than 6. So in this case, what you need to do, you need to take 1 from the tens. Okay, because in 110 there are 10 ones. You take 110 from the tens. So 110 is equals to 10 ones. So it is now 13. From 3, in 3 if you take 110, so it becomes 30. Now from 13 you can minus 6. You draw 13 lines. You cut 6 lines. The answer you get, that is 7. Now you have to subtract the tens. But don't subtract 3 minus 1 because there are not 310 now. There were 310 when they did not give, when this 10 did not give 110 to the ones. But because it has given 110 to the ones, so this is not 3. It was 3, but it has given 110 to the ones. So it is now 2. 3 minus 1, 2. It is now 210. Now from 2 you have to take out 1. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. There are two most important things which you should remember. The first thing, that always subtract the second number from the first number. Some students can make a mistake. They can subtract 6 from 3. This is 3 minus 6. This is actually 3 minus 6. But some students can make mistake. They can do it 6 minus 3 and they can draw 6 lines and cut 3 lines. No, that will be wrong. So you have to remember the first number is 3. That means you have to subtract from 3. You have to subtract from 3. And the second number you have to subtract. That means 6 you need to subtract from 3. So 3, because from 3 you have to subtract, that's why you will draw 3 lines. And 6 because you need to subtract, so you need to cut 6 lines. But because 3 is smaller, so you cannot cut 6 lines. So the first important thing that you should remember, that the first number, from first number you have to subtract. So first number means you have to draw that lines, and from the second number you will decide how many lines you need to cut. This is the first important thing which you should remember. The second important thing, when you take one carry from the tens, like there were 3 tens. There were 3 tens. When you take carry from 1 tens, so remember it will not be 3 now. It will be 2. If you have 3 candies, if you have 3 candies and you give 1 candy to your friend, so you don't have 3 candies now because you have given 1 candy to your friend, so you have 2 candies now. The same as there were 3 tens, but 1 10 he gives to ones. That's why it is not 3 now, it is 2. So these 2 things are very important, which you should remember for subtraction with regrouping. Am I clear to you guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's
Yes,
very good.
sir.
That's very good. Okay, guys. So let's take one more example, guys. Come to the practice session. Here we have 43 minus 14. We have to minus 14 from 43. So I'm going to take one of the student who will tell me how to subtract 14 from 43. Anas Fahad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Anas Fahad. This question we have to subtract. Subtract 4 ones from 3 ones. That is 3 ones minus
1.
4 ones.
Minus 1.
Sorry.
3. Plus 4. Here, my.
From 3 you have to minus 4. So this is 3. Draw 3 lines. This is 3, right? Draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Now cut 4 lines.
Cut 4.
Cut 4. 1,
Or 3.
2, and 3. Can you cut 4 lines? Can you cut 4 lines, Anas?
Take 1 from 10. Take
Okay.
1 from 10.
Okay. Now
3
it
plus
is
4.
what? It is 13. So how many lines should I draw? Now it is 13 ones minus 4 ones. How many lines should I draw?
30
13.
minus
4. Count with me. 1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Very good. Now you need to cut how many lines? Cut 4 lines.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many lines are left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. So 13 minus 4 is equals to
9.
now subtract the tens. Subtract the tens now.
Become 3, 4.
Yes.
4 tens. Become 3.
Become 3. Very good. Now 3 minus 1.
2.
So this is 29. Is it correct answer?
Yes. 29.
That's very good. Yes, guys, 29 is the correct answer.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. So I repeat for you guys how this question is solved. It was 3 and it was 4. From 3 you had to subtract 4, but you cannot do it. Why? Because 3 is smaller than 4. When you draw 3 lines, you cannot cut 4 lines because 3 is smaller, 4 is bigger. Right? So what you will do? You will take 1 from the tens. This was 4. You take 1 from the tens. It is now 13. Draw 13 lines, cut 4 lines. So how many lines are left? 9 lines are left. Now, because it was 4 and you have given 1 to the ones, so it is not 4 now, it is 3 now. From 3 you have to take out 1. So draw 3 lines and cut 1 lines. Check how many lines are left. 1, 2. So the answer is 2. So 43 minus 14 is 29. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. Let's take one more student, guys, for this question. Abdullah Hisham.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 43 minus 14. How you will subtract?
43 plus 14.
Minus 14.
1 minus 1. 3. 3 minus 4.
Yes.
1. 31.
3 minus 4, 1. Can you subtract 4 from 3?
3 plus 4.
It is minus, not plus.
No, sorry. 3 minus 4. 1.
How 1? Abdullah,
1.
this is from this you have to subtract. This is 3. Draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3.
2.
And what you have to subtract? What you have to subtract?
4.
Cut 4 lines. 1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
can you cut 4 lines?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Where is 4? Can you cut 4 lines? Look, these are 3 lines. You have to cut 4 lines. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 lines. You cannot cut 4 lines. No, 0. Listen. You have to subtract 4 from 3. So you cannot subtract 4 from 3. Why? Because 3 is smaller. I give you example. Let's suppose you have 3 candies. How many candies you have? Are you listening to me?
4.
Let's suppose you have 3 candies. Okay? If I ask you to give me 4 candies, can you give?
Yes.
No. You have 3 candies. How you can give me 4 candies? When you have 3, how you can give me 4? The same here. This is 3, 1. You cannot subtract 4, 1 from 3, 1 because 3 is smaller. 3 is smaller. Are you getting my point?
Okay.
Abdullah,
What?
tell me, can you subtract 4 from 3? Yes or no?
Okay. No. 2, 1, 0.
What I am asking, you have to answer me. Can you subtract 4 from 3?
4, 4.
No.
4 minus 3.
Say no,
0.
sir. No. Say no, sir. We cannot subtract 4 from 3 because 3 is smaller. If you draw 3 lines, you cannot cut 4 lines. You can cut 1 line. You can cut 2 lines. You can cut 3 lines, but you cannot cut 4 lines because 4 is more than 3. 3 is smaller. You cannot cut 4 lines in 3 lines. Clear?
Clear.
Now, because you cannot cut 4 lines from 3, what you will do? You will take 1 from the tens. So this is 4. When it give 1 tens to the ones, it becomes 13. Right? It is now 13. Now, can you subtract 4 from 13?
No.
Yes. 13 is bigger than 4. Draw 13 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Cut 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now check how many lines are left. Tell me how many
Zero.
lines are left.
Zero.
How many
Yes,
lines are
sir.
left? How many lines are left? Count. 1, 2,
2, 3,
4,
3.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Abdullah, I think you are not concentrating in the class. You are not with me. You are not with me. Now, this is not 4 because it has given 1 times to the ones. It is 3. 3 minus 1 equals to 2. This is the answer. I repeat for you guys. You cannot subtract 4 from 3. Why? Because 3 is a smaller number. You cannot take out a bigger number from a smaller number. If you have 3 biscuits, you cannot give 4 biscuits. If you have 3 chocolates, you cannot give 4 chocolates. If you have 3 cups of milk, you cannot give 4 cups of milk. If you have 3 cars, you cannot give 4 cars. Okay. Once you have 3, so you can either give 3, 2, or 1. You cannot give more than 3. Okay. So whenever you have to take out a bigger number from a smaller number, in that case, you need to take out carry. You need to take borrow. You need to borrow something from the tens. So because you cannot take out 4 from 3, so what you will do, you will take 1 from tens. So this is 3. And when you take out 1 from 3, it becomes 13. Cut 4 lines from 13 lines, you will get the answer 9. Then you have to remember, guys, because tens has given 1 to the ones, it was 4, but 1 he gives to the ones, so it is not 4 now, it is now 3. So out of 3, when you take out 1, so you get the answer, that is 2. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
That's very good. That's very good. Okay, guys, now I'm going to change the question and I will take one more student to answer. I'm going to change the question. Let's suppose it is 2, it is 5, and it is 2, it is 6. It is 52 minus 26. For 52 minus 26, I would like to take one student. Ibrahim Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ibrahim. We have to take out 26 from 52. Subtract the ones first. Subtract 2 minus 6 first. 2 minus 6.
2 go to 5, 6, 1, and 2 be 12.
That's very good. But why he go to 5?
4.
Why you cannot subtract?
5.
No, why he go to 5? Can you subtract 6 from 2? No, you cannot subtract 6 from 2. That's why he go to 5. Okay, now it is 12. 12 minus 6 equals to what?
6.
That's very good. So you write 6 here. Now,
And
subtract the
4
tens.
and 4 minus 2, 2.
4 minus 2, 2. But it is 5.
No, the The 2 take from 5, 1.
That's very good. Thank you, Ibrahim Muhammad. Guys, look, Ibrahim Muhammad answered me correctly. We cannot subtract 4 ones from 2 ones. We cannot subtract 4 ones from 2 ones. Right? So what we will do, we will take one carry from the tens. Once we will take carry from the tens, so it will not be further 2. It will be 10, 12. Then what we need to do, we need to take out 6 from 12. So for that, you will draw 12 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And you need to take out 6. That's why you will cut 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 12 out of 6 is a 6. Then it is not 5 tens because it has given 1 10 to the ones. It is now 4. 4 tens minus 2 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut 2. So it will be 2. So the answer is 26. 52 minus 26 is equals to 26. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
That's very good. Now, guys, what I'm going to change the question and I will take one more student for this. Let's suppose it is 43 minus 25. 43 minus 25, and for this I am going to take one more student, Hamza Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Hamza Muhammad, we have to subtract 25 from 43. So subtract the ones first. 3 minus 5. 3 ones minus 5 ones. 3 ones minus 5 ones.
50. 1 in the 3. And that 4 in the 10 will be 3.
Then how many? 13 minus 5 equals to what then?
8.
8. That's very good. Now, how many tens?
1.
That's very good. Thank you. So look, guys, Hamza Muhammad also answered correctly. I tell you how it is solved. The question was 43 minus 5. So you have to subtract 3 minus 5. You have to subtract 5 ones from 3 ones. So you draw 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. And you start cutting 5 lines. So 1, 2, 3. So you can only cut 3 lines because 3 is smaller than 5. So you realize that 3 is smaller than 5 and you cannot minus 5 from 3. So what you need to do here, in these cases, you take 1 from the tens. So this is 4. You will take 1 carry from the 4. So it will become 13 now. Now it is 13 ones and you have to minus 5 ones. So you will draw 13 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. You have to take out 5 from 13. So you will cut 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many lines are left? You will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 13 ones minus 5 ones is equals to 8 ones. So you will write here 8. 13 minus 5 is equals to what? 13 minus 5 is equals to 8. Now you have to remember, this was 4. But when just give 1 to the ones, so it is not 4 now. Okay, it was 4, but because it has given 1 to the ones, so it is now 3. It is now 3. Now you have to take out 2 from 3. So this is 3. When you take out 2 from 3, so it will be 1. So when you take out 25 from 43, you will get the answer, that is 18. So 25 out of, when you take out 25 from 43, the answer is 18. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
3 minus
3
2,
minus
2.
That's very good. Now I'm going to take one, I'm going to explain one question by myself, guys. I'm going to change it and I'm going to write the answer. From 64, you have to take out 25. So I will do, I have to subtract the ones first. Ones are 4 and 5. From 4 ones, I need to subtract 5 ones, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have to take out 5, so I will cut 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I cannot cut 5 lines because 4 is smaller. I can cut 1 line, 2 line, 3 line or 4 line, but I cannot cut 5 line because 4 is smaller than 5. So what I will do, I will take 1 from the tens. So this 6 will give 1 and it will become 14. It will become 14. When 4 get 1 tens, it is now 14 ones. So now you have to minus 5 from 14. So draw 14 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Take out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 14 minus 5 is equals to 9. This is not 6 now because you have taken 1 from this 6. So this is now 5. 5 minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you cut 2, so only 3 will be left. It will be equals to 39. This is how you will solve. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good, guys. This is the end of our class. Inshallah, we will practice this and I will try to focus on each student and every student will practice for subtraction with regrouping with me. So take care until the next class. Inshallah, I'll meet you in the next class. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.